Imagine this. You put out your last cigarette, and within just 20 minutes, your body's already repairing itself. That's right. In less time than it takes to watch a TV show, your heart rate and blood pressure are starting to normalize. Quitting smoking isn't just about the long-term benefits years down the road. The truth is, your body begins healing almost immediately, and the changes keep stacking up in ways that can truly transform your life. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable death worldwide, linked to cancers, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and chronic lung problems. But here's the good news. No matter how long you've been smoking, quitting sets powerful healing processes in motion. Some benefits happen in minutes, others unfold over days, months, and years. Together, they dramatically improve your health, your quality of life, and even how you feel day to day. In this video, we're going to walk through what happens to your body when you quit smoking, from that first hour to the first week, all the way to 15 years down the line. You'll see just how much your body wants to heal and how every cigarette you don't smoke is a step toward recovery. And before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Are you already smoke-free, or are you just starting to think about quitting? Let us know in the comments below. Your journey might just inspire someone else. 20 minutes after your last cigarette, within just 20 minutes, your body responds. Your heart rate begins to drop toward a normal level, and your blood pressure eases down. Cigarettes raise your heart rate and put extra strain on your cardiovascular system, so this immediate shift is like lifting a weight off your heart. Imagine taking the stairs without feeling that extra pounding in your chest. That's the difference even a short break can make. 12 hours later. By the 12-hour mark, your body is clearing carbon monoxide from your bloodstream. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas in cigarette smoke that binds to your red blood cells, crowding out oxygen. When you smoke, it's like your cells are suffocating. After half a day without a cigarette, carbon monoxide levels normalize, oxygen delivery improves, and your organs get the clean air supply they need. You might notice clearer thinking or feel less tired, even this early, 24 hours later. At the one-day mark, your risk of heart attack already begins to decrease. Smoking narrows blood vessels and thickens the blood, which makes clots more likely. With just 24 hours of quitting, circulation improves, and your heart gets a small but real break. You might also notice physical activity starting to feel a little easier, even something as simple as walking around your house or doing chores. 48 hours later. After 2 days, your senses of taste and smell start coming back to life. Smoking damages nerve endings, dulling how you experience food and scents. When you quit, those nerves begin to heal quickly. Suddenly, your coffee tastes richer, fruit tastes sweeter, and everyday smells seem sharper. At the same time, withdrawal symptoms usually peak around this point. Irritability, cravings, headaches, maybe even some anxiety. It's tough, but remember, these are signs your body is adjusting to life without nicotine. 3 days in. By the third day, nicotine is completely gone from your system. That's a huge step forward. But it also means withdrawal can feel intense. You might feel edgy, restless, or have trouble focusing. The good news? Your body is detoxing, your lungs are starting to relax, and your energy levels are beginning to rise. Many people notice they can take deeper breaths without as much tightness in their chest. 2 to 12 weeks. Over the next few weeks, circulation continues to improve. Your blood flows more easily, making exercise, walking, or even just climbing stairs less exhausting. Lung function begins to improve as well, meaning your breathing feels less labored. Cravings usually become less frequent, and the withdrawal fog begins to lift. Many people at this stage say they start to feel like a healthier version of themselves is emerging. 3 to 9 months. By 9 months, the tiny hair-like structures in your lungs, called cilia, are regenerating. These cilia act like a cleaning crew, sweeping out mucus and germs from your airways. When they're damaged by smoking, you're more vulnerable to coughs, infections, and chronic bronchitis. As they heal, your lungs become far better at defending themselves. You'll likely notice less coughing, less wheezing, and an easier time breathing during physical activity. 1 year smoke-free. After a year without smoking, your risk of heart disease is cut in half. That's a dramatic improvement for your cardiovascular health. Think about what that means. Your heart, your blood vessels, and your entire circulatory system are now functioning at a much safer baseline. You might also feel stronger and have more stamina for activities you once avoided. 5 years smoke-free. At the 5-year mark, your stroke risk drops to that of a non-smoker. Your arteries are less sticky, your blood is less likely to clot, and your entire circulatory system functions more smoothly. This milestone also marks a big drop in your risk for cancers of the mouth, throat, and esophagus. 10 years smoke-free. After 10 years, your risk of dying from lung cancer is cut by about 50%. Other cancer risks, like bladder, kidney, and pancreas, also decline. This is a huge milestone because lung cancer is one of the leading killers linked to smoking. By this point, your lungs have had a decade to rebuild, making it easier to breathe deeply and stay active. 15 years smoke-free. At 15 years, your risk of heart disease is the same as if you had never smoked. That means your body has effectively reset itself, erasing the added cardiovascular risks of smoking. It's as if you've been given a second chance at lifelong heart health. Bonus benefits. The timeline of recovery is powerful, but there are other benefits worth highlighting. Quitting smoking improves your skin by slowing premature aging, leading to fewer wrinkles and better circulation to your face. Your immune system gets stronger, meaning fewer colds and faster healing from everyday illnesses. Sleep often improves since nicotine disrupts normal sleep cycles. Even your mental health benefits. While withdrawal can cause short-term irritability, long-term quitting is linked to reduced anxiety and depression. And quitting isn't just about what you avoid, it's about what you gain. Food tastes better. Your skin clears up. Your hair and clothes stop smelling like an ashtray. You've got more energy, more stamina, and more money in your pocket. Think about the thousands of dollars literally going up in smoke every year. Imagine putting that back into vacations, hobbies, or even just savings. That's a huge lifestyle shift right there. So here's the bottom line. Quitting smoking is one of the most powerful decisions you can ever make for your health. The benefits start in minutes and continue for decades. Whether it's tasting food again, breathing freely, or dramatically lowering your risk of cancer and heart disease, every moment without smoking is a step toward a longer, stronger life. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more guides on recovery and self-improvement. And remember, share your journey in the comments. Whether you're one day smoke-free or 15 years down the line, your story matters. You've got the power to take your health back. The best time to quit was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Stay strong, stay smoke-free, and I'll see you in the next video.